Okay, so hey all, firstly wishing you all a very happy Diwali. I know 2020 has been a hell of a ride, but thankfully it's almost coming to an end. So wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Enjoy your Diwali, maintain social distancing, spend time with your family, blah 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 blah. And secondly, I have been getting a lot of requests for this video, these kinds of videos through my friends and through almost everyone. I know it's a very generic video, but I'll still try my best and I'll do. It's okay, so it's a reaction video on I do reaction videos, but I do app reacts, and recently only I did react about Reface app. So I thought of doing another reaction video on a Netflix show that not Netflix show, a Netflix show trailer that I recently just today only saw. And what can I say, Netflix? Like, I cannot believe you back in 2018 were the epitome of class. Now what's happening? Like, my main fear with OTT now is that A, it's going to be too much, which is understandable, too much of khichdi, and secondly, it's gonna be the same drab rip-off American concept of real housewives. Like, why a reality show on real how what is that show called? Like, it's such a, the title is so lame. Famous lives. I mean, what? Fabulous lives of Bollywood wives. Like, god awful title. I mean, god awful show this is gonna be. But people are still gonna watch this ripoff. So I know I watched the trailer, but I have to give the reactions for you all. And the more I see it, the more I feel cringe. And the more I have my comments to say about it. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's get started with the video, shall we?
She's such a moron. You're a big fat bully. Oh my god, get over it. People have this misconception about us that we have these oh so glamorous lives, but that's not really true. Our lives can be quite mundane.
Yeah, your lives are mundane because you shop in fucking Rolls Royce. Your lives are mundane because you freaking shop in Dubai and US and Paris and all these kind of places. I mean, भाई मिडिल क्लास मारुति आई वोंट से मारुति 800 तो बहुत ही ज्यादा भाई अर्टिगा में आप शॉपिंग करोगे मारुति अर्टिगा में मारुति SX4 में कभी जाओगे नहीं रोल्स रॉयस चाहिए गॉड ये सबसे ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं ट्रैफिक क्रिएट करने का गॉड
Of course we go shopping in a Rolls Royce. Any other mode of transportation? I don't know.
Yeah, we love traveling in Delhi Metro. It's a mode of transportation. We love traveling in DTC bus also. It's a mode of transportation. Can you do that? Can you shop? I mean, they're saying that. What do you mean? That Delhi Metro is Rolls Royce is a mode of transportation. I mean, we get it. It's a mode of transportation. You go shopping in that. Of course we go shopping in Rolls Royce. It's a mode of transportation. Yeah, as if Delhi Metro and Mumbai local is not a mode of transportation.
My phone kept buzzing. What the hell is with her? I mean, stupid cow. I occasionally DM Kim Kardashian. I don't say anything, I send pictures.
First of all, I can't believe, Sohail Khan wants to stay relevant through his wife with this kind of a show. Like, why? I mean, you're getting to see. Okay. And ये ऐसे बोल रही है जैसे कि मैं रिएक्शन को भाई बचपन से जानती हूँ मैं तो हमेशा आई ओकेजनली डीएम वाओ मैन
Talker, but I do like to check out my Juhu neighborhood. I mean, you guys will thank me.
who puts makeup in their inside their own house like which star wife will put makeup inside their own house with bright lipsticks drinking coffee and stalking my neighborhood stalking Mumbai neighborhood like dude only what should I say a jobless auntie can do that like अगर ऐसी आंटी मेरे neighborhood में I would really feel bad for her like please get a job and stop stalking people.
I keep on getting the one-off offer to come back into movies.
Is that wait? Is that Sameer Soni? Man, why do these people? if अगर बिग बॉस नहीं तो नेटफ्लिक्स पे हाउसवाइफ्स वाला शो ही सही है यार.
I cannot sleep.
Oh my! Wait. Ananya Pandey family. This family has really struggled a lot to stay relevant.
My biggest fear is fear of ghosts.
I don't know. I just don't know how to react to that. Seema, she gets my goat sometimes.
You know what? I don't want to get involved.
Obviously,
That's not
I
enough.
don't.
Of course, it's an Alaska.
She's taken a lot of pot shots at me.
This is insane.
Mandatory fight scene, mandatory arguing scene, whatever that shit. God man, अमीरों की problems. मतलब अमीर अगर दिखाने तो ढंग के अमीर दिखाओ ना ये क्या दिखा रहे हो?
They've been my friends for 25 odd years.
Show me what you got. Show me what you got now. We're actually ridiculous. What you got now?
But altogether, it's fabulous.
Man, we are ridiculous, but altogether it's fabulous. Like कितना ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी वाला लेवल का राइम है ना ये तो पोएट्री है. ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी मतलब ये तो पोएट्री लेवल इन्फिनिटी है भाई. We are ridiculous, but altogether we are fabulous. Wow. Seema Khan. And that other lady. Who is it? Neelam Kothari.
ये कौन है?
Shumapel Neelam.
I don't care what you say. I don't care how you feel.
Why are they trying to portray Ananya Pandey as the next Kendall Jenner? Like God.
Hey, I'm like it's a freaking nightmare.
What? Kids,
Husbands
husbands.
seems
Don't
to
screw
be.
it up even more.
Be quiet.
Wait, Shah Rukh Khan, Gauri Khan. Dude, Gauri Khan is looking so different and Gauri Khan का cameo appearance भी डाल दिया इन्होंने यार. And who is this other chick? I think I've seen her somewhere. Shania Kapoor. God man, यार इनकी फैमिली ये तो प्रमोट ही करते रहेंगे अपने बच्चों को. God इनकी problems भी क्या होती है? Wow, kids, husbands. Mom, you have freaking everything in your next level. Back to the video.
He's a gentleman, officer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Listen, he's stalking me. He's following us. I think it's a little scary. Oh my god.
No. Why?
You have.
I look amazing.
No,
Shut up,
Adi.
bitch.
Wait, this is like the generic pose of all the housewives together. Like they have copied almost everything. Like I'm not even surprised at this kind of level of copying. Like यार कॉपी करना भी तो ढंग का कॉपी करो ना. मतलब इतना cheap rip off कर दिया है. The Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives. This is the show's name. Like क्या? मतलब एक तो टाइटल इतना लंबा ऊपर से रियल हाउसवाइफ्स का मतलब चाइना मेड कॉपी जिसे नहीं कहते रियल हाउसवाइफ्स का ये वो है. मतलब इसे मैं चाइना मेड भी नहीं बोलूंगी चोर बाजारी कॉपी है ये. Who on earth even thought of this show? Like please, I really want to ask the producer like what कौन सा गांजा फूक के शो बनाया. कौन सा गांजा फूक के तेरे को ये आइडिया आया कि ये इंडिया में चलने वाला है ये शो. अभी कास्ट भी ऐसी, मतलब ढंग की कास्ट भी नहीं, ऐसी कास्ट. Was that Big Boss, man? God. So do subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and wishing you a very, very, very happy Diwali, and see ya.